Craving a killer back and biceps workout? Welcome back to our channel, where today we're focusing on strengthening and defining these key muscle groups. Whether you're just starting on your fitness journey or you're a seasoned gym regular, these exercises are tailored to help you build strength and tone your body. So ensure you have your water bottle close by and get ready to sweat. First things first, warming up is essential. Start with some shoulder rolls, arm swings, and light jogging on the spot. This helps get your blood flowing and prepares your body for the intense workout that lies ahead. Now, let's dive into the first exercise, the bent over row. Grab a pair of dumbbells and stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees slightly and hinge forward at the hips, keeping your back straight. Engage your core and pull the dumbbells up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the weights back down with control and repeat for a total of 12 reps. Next up, we have the wide grip lat pull down. Sit at a lat pull down machine and adjust the thigh pads to secure your legs. Grab the bar with a wide overhand grip, wider than shoulder width apart. Lean back slightly and pull the bar down towards your chest, focusing on squeezing your back muscles. Slowly release the bar back up and repeat for 10 reps. Moving on to biceps, we have the hammer curl. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold a pair of dumbbells by your sides, palms facing inwards. Keeping your elbows close to your body, curl the dumbbells up towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Lower the weights back down with control and repeat for 15 reps. For our final exercise, we'll target both the back and biceps with the seated cable row. Sit at a cable row machine with your feet flat on the footrests and knees slightly bent. Grab the handles with an overhand grip and sit up tall, engaging your core. Pull the handles towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly release the handles back out and repeat for 12 reps. And there you have it, a killer back and biceps workout. Remember to stretch and cool down after your workout to prevent any muscle soreness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing yourself and stay strong. Now let's hone in on those back muscles. The classic pull-up is first on the list. With a grip slightly wider than shoulder width, engage your core and pull your body upwards until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself slowly and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. Next in line are bent over rows. With a pair of dumbbells in hand, hinge at the hips, keep your back flat and pull the weights towards your rib cage. Remember to squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps. Our back workout concludes with lat pull-downs. Seated at the lat pull-down machine, grip the bar, pull it down towards your chest while keeping your back straight and elbows pointed downwards. Slowly release the bar back up and repeat for 12 to 15 reps. Having worked on our back muscles, it's time to shift our focus to the biceps. Kickstart the biceps workout with standing barbell curls. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, grip the barbell and curl it towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the barbell slowly and repeat for 10 to 12 reps. Following this, we have alternating dumbbell curls. With a pair of dumbbells, curl one towards your shoulder while keeping the other arm stationary. Alternate between arms and aim for 12 to 15 reps on each arm. Finally, we round off our workout with hammer curls. With a neutral grip on a pair of dumbbells, curl the weights towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows stationary. Repeat this for 10 to 12 reps. Well done, everyone. You've powered through a rigorous back and biceps workout. Now, remember to stretch those muscles to prevent stiffness and aid in recovery. And don't forget to hydrate and refuel with a nutritious post-workout meal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Keep pushing towards your fitness goals, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.